open. So today we are fitting my, I feel like I'm famous. We are fitting my Aero bumper. It's nice to see I cleaned the car thoroughly beforehand. Boy, finesse promotion. So I'm going to start with these bolts here. And we've got my nice Audi spec electric screwdriver that my dad bought me for Christmas.
It's a good little bike, isn't it?
Yeah, it's quite cute. Everyone seems to slate Audi tools, but I'm like...
But they're handy for home.
I think they're pretty cool. Oh, that's sick!
It's just a drill. Right,
Hey,
one. Next one.
I will go to the next one. I'm shaking.
Oh no, I'm freezing. The camera's shaking.
Hey.
Right, where's the next bolts, Katie? Right down there. Are you going to get... Where is it?
No.
Oh, I see it.
Can you?
That might be ratchet job.
Where is it?
Like,
oh, down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's good. That's not gonna...
No, no way.
Is there any... They're the only two. There's four.
There was ones on the bottom, weren't there? Have a look under.
Great, you like to see girls get down dirty.
No comment.
Oh, but... no comment because my mum and dad watch your videos. I'm joking.
I'm a good boy.
Don't worry, Neil. I'm just joking. And there. Oh, I think this...
Is there any in the middle?
Yes. This electric screwdriver is quite possibly
The best invention ever.
And I also figured out all the bolts are the same so far.
Yeah, which is good.
Because with my car, when we done the bumper, there's 4 different bolts.
It's more than that.
Oh yeah,
Well, there's only 4 by holding it on actually,
yeah,
wasn't there?
and they were all different.
Yeah.
All different sizes, some torque.
And then when we put it back on, we had to change one of them because it was absolutely fucked.
Here's our nice handyman. He's going to get down dirty now.
In white.
But no one's going to fancy you because you're not a car girl.
Good.
Well, you might be. You never know.
Right, yeah, but these do I have an attachment for putting
Can't you?
pieces in?
Oh.
Because someone dropped all my stuff. It's not organised anymore.
I wonder who that was.
Where's your little thing anyway?
My little thing? The attachment.
Screwdriver piece.
Oh, okay. It's a bit sticky, which is a bit strange.
That'll do, I think.
That's such an awkward place, isn't there? Because it's not even like you can turn the wheels out. Does this bit come off with it?
Yeah, I think so. Because it's not attached, is it?
No, it's sort of just...
Don't pull it like really hard.
There can't be any more bolts.
Well, there might be. You don't know.
I think it's just stuck. Like, because obviously it's been on the car. We finally like 5 more bolts that we didn't know existed. I'm pretty sure we've got one. Oh, she does not want to come off. Which are actually under the on your
trim?
one black
Yeah.
trim. But be so careful when you take these off so you will snap clip.
Well, luckily we ain't snapped them, but on that side I think we'll have to take one out to put back on the trim before we push it in, if you know what I mean.
Just minis love their clips, so just a bit of advice, be careful and be gentle. Hopefully,
I think it will now pop off.
hopefully, this is like take 3. Hey! Right, I've got to be careful because the reversing light.
Yeah.
That's going to be connected, isn't it? So you carry on. It's on something.
There's probably another screw underneath.
Oh, no. Come on now. It's like hooked on almost, I think. It's off completely this side. I think it's...
Yeah, there's another screw.
Is there?
Yeah, underneath.
Okay. Right.
Near the exhaust, I think.
Okay. Can't see any. It's not. It can't be. Because look, it's completely loose. It's something like in it.
Ow. No, but I can see it almost attached.
Oh, it's this thing here. Come here. Look down there.
Yeah, there's another bolt.
Yeah. So can I even get that from there?
Yeah.
Take fast. Oh my god, that literally just come off so nice.
Jesus.
Right.
Just twist it.
Well, yeah, but we take the whole unit.
Yeah, but I mean, for now, just twist it. Yeah.
We're off.
Yay. My hat's still under there. My hat.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take this back into the garden.
Remember to put the fog light bit in first.
Oh yeah. Where is it?
On the floor.
You don't want to put the bumper down on the floor.
Goes through the front, obviously. The other side, yeah.
Did you take it out of the front from the other side?
Yeah.
Is there an up and a down? Yeah.
Just push it in.
Oh, that looks so nice and such like bright white.
Push in a bit more, that's fine. Just push it. There you go.
Didn't like that.
It needs like retinted now. I'm dying. Do you want me to put this down and help you?
Yeah. Under tray is cable tied with the flimsiest cable ties that we can find, so that'll probably fall off at some point. Bad. But, you know, bringing the polo back to life bit by bit. And the funny thing is, Matt said to me the other day, he was like, why'd you carry cable ties in your handbag?
Use my cable ties anyway.
Yeah. And use my best.
That's good. I do feel like in a way you kind of need something in them holes though. Do you know what I mean?
No, I think when it's cleaner it looks
Yeah. But it almost...
It looks a bit flatter and wider.
It's because it sticks out towards me more.
And it's done, and it wasn't just 4 bolts.
And are you happy?
Yeah, I am. And Bruce was hot, and Matt was lovely because he was on the floor doing all the hard bits.
Like you, sure.
So yeah, over and out. Matt's probably like zoomed up right on my nose. I feel like you just.
I had to walk off because you come closer. Wow.
Right.
Wow.
Let's go get coffee.
Hey, look at that though. Jesus.